I'm no forecaster, but I'm going to say, Bill,
But you play one on TV.
I feel like we're going to get rain.
That's a pretty good bet. Yeah.
Could it be any more humid out there today? I mean,
Yes, it could.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could have 100% humidity as it is. It's
We
like
don't
90.
want that.
realistically speaking,
Yes.
you know.
So there's always ways to get around all this, and you've done a fine job forecasting there. Well done. Let's get you into the what professionals do over here. And morning starts with clouds. There may be a lingering shower around, but not all that many. Some fog as well. That's part of the high humidity, 100% kind of thing. That's when you get the fog going on. Middle of the day, rain and thunderstorms will be on the increase. Flood watch will be continuing. Latter part of the day should see our greatest coverage of storms up into the low 80s. It's going to be a hot day. Some of that rain could be heavy too. Let's talk about all this on the Max Track Live Doppler tonight. Not nearly the coverage that we saw last night, but that being said, the little peppering of thunder showers we've got going along and on either side of the mountain parkway, they're dropping some pretty good rain. So you look up there, just now crossing 460 up into Morgan County, Campton there in Wolfe County, down toward the Lee County line where you see that little bit of purple. That's where it's raining really hard at this point. Continue then toward Clay City, especially just north there, getting into southern Montgomery County, Camargo, Jeffersonville along 460 again is where you're seeing some real heavy rain. That continues into the southern part of Clark County. One little shower has been scooting through southeastern Fayette County. It's dying as it approaches Winchester Road. Flood watch is up through Thursday for a good chunk of the area, with the exception of the Lake Cumberland area. Just there's no place left to put the water. Through Thursday, the storms that do form are going to be very efficient rainmakers. They can take the moisture that's in the entire column of the atmosphere and just bring it down. From late Thursday into Friday, we're going to cut that efficient rainmaking off, and we get a chance to dry out a little bit as we cut the tropics off very briefly, because the weekend and beyond, it's back to a normal summertime pattern with partly sunny, scattered thunderstorms, hot and humid. This is a month's worth of rain in 3 days. Veterans Park, south side of Lexington, 4.5 inches of rain, 5.5. East Hickman, that's down Tates Creek Road from Heartland. Winchester Road had 4 1/3 inches. Normal for the entire month of June in Lexington is 4.44. Airport came in significantly less than that, but still, 2 2/3 inches is a lot of water. You look around to Anderson County, Highbridge there in Jessamine County, a lot of rain came down. Look at Clay County there in Manchester, how it stands out from everybody else. They had one big storm that sat there. Another inch or two certainly is a possibility by Friday. You see the scattering of storms around. You also notice that line. That's the front that's not going anywhere. See those thunderstorms? That's going to leave a boundary behind that will become the rain chances as we look ahead to tomorrow. In fact, when we're looking at those rain chances, you see they hit their peak tomorrow night into early Thursday, and then they start going down. So there is good news to be found. Very wet air remains in place over us. This is called precipitable water. This is, again, looking at all the water in the atmosphere. This is what we can make the rain from, and there's just a ton of it available. So mostly cloudy with scattered showers tonight. Patchy fog will drop to the upper 60s tomorrow. It's low 80s. The flood watch continues. Some of those thunderstorms will have locally heavy rain. Upper 70s, rain and thunderstorms likely on Thursday, but ending during the day. Summer starts on Friday. Summertime weather this weekend.